annual Toontown Tastiest Muffin Contest. Minnie Mouse had one goal: win. She hadn't told Mickey, her darling boyfriend, because she wanted to surprise him. She just hoped he wouldn't be mad that she'd used up all the flour. She dusted off her grandmother's most prized recipe, tied her apron, and got to work. Mickey, being the helpful boyfriend he was, offered to organize the ingredients. "Oh, you're such a dear, Mickey," Minnie said with a kiss. "But I really do have everything under control." Translation: he labeled things, not helpful at all. Sugar was actually salt. Baking soda was actually glitter. And why did they even have glitter in the kitchen? That's another story. When Mickey had finished his helpful deed, Minnie got to work mixing the ingredients, humming away happily. Suddenly, Mickey sneezed so hard, so violently, that half the batter flew onto the ceiling. "Bless you!" Minnie giggled, chasing the runaway batter with a spatula. After a few minutes of scraping muffin mix off the chandelier, the kitchen was clean enough for baking. The recipe called for a lot of butter, so Minnie put on some classical music and got to work creaming it with the sugar, or salt, almost forgetting about the whole contest. She was just so happy when she baked, when suddenly a loud crash made her jump a mile high. Mickey had apparently tried to organize the measuring cups and almost cut himself with a spatula. "Oh, Mickey!" she sighed, shaking her head with a smile. Then she continued with the recipe, adding egg, then S, then C, then just giving up and pouring in all the eggs. What were they gonna do, disqualify her for adding an extra egg or two? Soon the batter was ready to be poured into the muffin tin. Minnie carefully distributed it evenly, then popped the pan into the oven. While waiting for the timer, she and Mickey sat down for a cup of tea, or at least Minnie did. Mickey paced back and forth, occasionally peeking into the oven. Finally, the timer dinged and Minnie took out the pan. The muffins were golden-hued and sprinkled with sugar or salt. She placed them on the windowsill to cool off, and they looked so cute, she almost forgot about the contest. Almost. When they were finally ready, she and Mickey brought the muffins to the town square where the contest was being held. The other contestants had some mighty fine-looking muffins, but when it was Minnie's turn, the crowd gasped. The muffins looked so cute, yet they tasted like salted cardboard dipped in sparkles. A few brave souls tried them, and one judge even turned blue. But then, just as Minnie was about to give up hope, the mayor's pet goat, Billie Eilish, sneaked onto the stage, probably to protest the use of real animals in the entertainment industry. But then she stopped dead in her tracks and stared directly at the muffin in her hand. She took a bite and started dancing. The crowd went wild. Apparently, goats love glitter. In the end, Minnie didn't win Tastiest Muffin, but she did win Most Entertaining Entry. As for Mickey, he was banned from organizing anything in the kitchen ever again.